Hi kids, how are you? Nice to be in touch with you again. Okay, this is new for me, this is new for you, for the whole system really. So we're going to try to make it the best. Okay, so let's begin with what we have been revising on Unit 4. This is what we have revised so far. Collocations, okay, to say how things are put together. We had some examples, you did an exercise on that, and we have, for example, a bunch of flowers, a pair of socks. Pronunciation, we revised 3 sounds of S, Z, and is, okay? For example, cakes, chips, Z sound as in clothes and views, the is sound such as beaches and places. We also revised adverbs of frequency. We have seen this before, and it just describes how often does something happen. So you go from never, which is 0% of happening, to always, which is the 100%, the whole range in between. Then we had the revision of 2 verb patterns. The first one, which is verb pattern 1, which is giving something to somebody or giving somebody something. Here it was important to revise the correct use of 2 and 4. As I told you in class, in Spanish, there's no difference. If you look up for the translation, both of them mean para, but in English you have to make the difference. Verb pattern 2, which is the verb plus ing form, or verbs plus to infinitive. We know there is no rule, and you have to remember which verbs use each form. I sent a list of these verbs, and we watched a video which is also in Educai for you to revise. So we still have to work on some topics. Vocabulary and useful phrases, mostly related to clothes. A reading exercise with a very interesting topic, and you will have a group work on this afterwards. Then we will revise the present tenses, simple present and present progressive. Do not worry, we will make it. Let's work on our reading and vocabulary exercise on page 36. Get your books, your student books, page 36. And for the listening part of this exercise, you will need your CD, the one that's in the student's book. And now you're going to work on exercise 1. Do it very slowly. Do it carefully. Think and do it. Very good. Now, I hope and I trust you did not cheat. So now let's go and see the results. Check how well you did. Okay, so number 1 was vest, 2 was shirt, 3 pants, 4 boots, 5 top, 6 skirt, 7 scarf, 8 earrings, 9 necklace, and 10 sandals. Hopefully you know the meaning of all these words. If you don't, please go to the dictionary. You can use word reference, and you can easily find what it means. Okay? Let me know if you had any specific word you didn't understand. Now, describing clothes. This is the exercise. Okay? In order to describe, you need adjectives. And you must remember that in English, adjectives have a specific order, and you have to follow it strictly. Let's see a chart on the next slide, just for you to remember. So this is the order of the adjectives. Here you have several nouns at your right, and several adjectives according to the order you must follow. So the order is opinion, size, shape, age, color, origin, material, purpose, and here you have the noun you're describing. So very quickly, let's revise. A small red suitcase. The new blue silk t-shirt. An ugly wooden chair. This round new kitchen table. A comfortable new velvet dress. These lovely old ceramic mugs. That beautiful German sports car. Those amazing heart-shaped red balloons. A wonderful old French clock. As you can see, German and French come from origin. It could also be nationality. You must remember also that in English, nationality starts with capital letter. Don't forget. Okay, now, again, go to your books, page 36, and do exercises number 3 and 4. For pronunciation, you can listen to your CD. Okay, track 136. Very good. Take your time and work on it. Okay, once you have finished, you may follow to the next slide. Okay, revise how well you did. So, in design or color, you had black, white, plain, light green, red, and yellow. When you place light green, okay, or dark green, it's just a range of color of the color green. Light is it's not so green. If you say dark green, it's very green. Okay, material: silk, cotton, woolen, leather, gold. Okay, so what it is made out. Clothes and accessories, you have vest, shirt, pants, boots, top, skirt, scarf, earrings, necklace, and sandals. If you don't know any of these words, go to word reference and find out with the translation what it is. Okay, so for now, you have this time to practice. Total honesty is required, and I trust you will be honest on this exercise. Click on the link on next slide. Develop the exercise. Click on check or finish depending on the request of the exercise. Get your result, take a screenshot, and send it to me via Educai immediately after finishing the exercise. Remember that this is a simulation of your class, and this would be a class exercise that you have to finish before you leave. So, this is the link for your practice. Once you find it, do the exercise slowly. Think, don't rush, and then answer each of the questions and again screenshot and send it to me. Very good. So before we finish this class and this exercise, I want to share with you this TED Talk given by Bill Gates on 2015. I invite you to watch this interesting video. Okay? If you have any thoughts on it, you want to share any thoughts with me, include them in the mail you sent with the results of the exercise. Okay, guys and girls, hope you're following instructions, being safe, being good, and staying at home. See you soon on the next class. Bye.